true shape of a rhombus. So we have to first draw a rhombus. For a rhombus, we have to go for polygon. Number of sets is 4. So you have to choose center. So center C. Then you have to center the specific inscribed in a circle, so that we can give the diagonal length. So we can see the diagonal length. So diagonal length is 20. So the radius of the half of the diagonal is 20. Okay. So total is 40. Now we have to rotate this to the base point minus 45 or any 45. So we can get the rhombus whose diagonal length can be measured. You can see the diagonal length. Yeah, the diagonal length should be 40 mm. You can see. Now we have to draw the axis length whose length is 80 mm. F8 is the reference line. Now we have to join these points. Yes, now trim off the excess points. Yes, now I have to go for and length of 80 mm. So you can see the 80 mm length. Again an 80 mm. Now just to connect these 2 points. Now need to connect here. Yes. Now we have to choose the diagonal. So this is the diagonal point. In that midpoint, we have to draw a circle of radius 30, so that the axis cutting the side axis will be having the length of 30 mm. You can see from here to here it should be 30, and from here to here it should be 30. We can extend it to some distance. Fh, yeah, ex double enter. Yes. If you want, you can extend here also. Now you can see this length. This length should be 30 mm, and here also 30 mm. Now we have to draw the perpendicular line to these points. Yes. To parametric perpendicular, you have to choose this as the reference line. Similarly, you have to make all these lines perpendicular. So the parallel length, the length will be around 30 mm, which is we have drawn here. Now choose any point from here. Draw a circle of radius 20 mm, because the true shape has the length which is equal to. Now we have to draw an just we can draw. Just pick the circle from center to. We have to draw perpendicular lines. Again, parametric perpendicular. Have to choose whether this line is perpendicular, and again this line is perpendicular. You can see the line is perpendicular. Now connect these 2 points from here to here, and from here to here. Similarly, from these 2 points, you have to connect it. Delete the circle, delete these lines, and trim off the excess lines. Yeah. Now hatch, select hatch, and can hatch it. You can see the dimension now. You can go for align the diagonal. So the diagonal length should be 60 mm and 40 mm. So this is the given data. So that's all. So you can also measure here the length as. Yeah. Now we have to go for linear. You can see the length is 40 mm. That's all. Thank you, students.